Welcome to Chapter 3 of Digital Communication, Error Control Systems. Module 7 covers cyclic code generation. N comma के cyclic code. Cyclic code is a block code. The definition of cyclic code is a block code is said to be a cyclic code if it satisfies linearity property and cyclic property. Linearity properties, XOR of any two code words should generate a valid code. Cyclic properties, cyclic rotation of any valid code can generate another valid code. So if both properties are satisfied, it is cyclic code. If only linearity property is satisfied, it is a linear block code. That is why cyclic codes are always linear block code, but all linear block codes are not cyclic code. Non-systematic and systematic cyclic codes are available. First, we will study non-systematic cyclic code generation procedure. Cyclic codes are going to be generated using polynomial. Whatever be the data that will be converted into polynomial format, that is called d of x, that is data polynomial. Instead of generator matrix, generator polynomial, the product is called polynomial. This multiplication method is used for non-systematic cyclic code generation. This is not the method for a systematic cyclic code generation. That we will study later. d of x is data polynomial with degree k minus 1. The reason is number of data bits are k, and when it is converted into polynomial, the degree will be k minus 1. Number of code bits are n. In the polynomial format, the degree will be n minus 1. So this is k minus 1 and our requirement is n minus 1. So that is why the degree of g of x has to be n minus 1 minus k minus 1, that is n minus k. So remember, this is an important result. Degree of generator polynomial is always n minus k. So after seeing the generator polynomial, we are able to say how many parity bits this generator polynomial can generate. Because degree of g of x is always equal to number of parity bits, n minus k. Here I am showing how to convert the bits into polynomial format. The first example is 1, 1, 1, 1. And the equivalent polynomial format is x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Total number of bits are 4, and you can see the degree is equal to 3. Because for LSB, we will write x raised to 0, then x raised to 1, then x square, then x cube. Next combination 0, 1, 0, 1, equivalent polynomial is x square plus 1. Next 0, 0, 1, 1, polynomial is x plus 1. 0, 0, 1, polynomial is 1, and for 0, 0, 0, 0, polynomial is 0. Systematic cyclic code generation. C of x is equal to x raised to n minus k into d of x plus p of x. That is, data polynomial is first multiplied with x raised to n minus k, where n minus k is the number of parity bits. Then that product divided by generator polynomial will get a remainder. That remainder should be added with this product for getting a systematic cyclic code. I'll repeat again. C of x is equal to x raised to n minus k into d of x. So the first step is data should be converted into polynomial format, and that polynomial is multiplied with x raised to n minus k, where n minus k is the number of parity bits. So we'll get a product. That product divided by generator polynomial. Whatever be the remainder we are getting, that remainder is p of x. So the product plus remainder, that is a code polynomial. Degree of g of x is n minus k. So due to this reason, the remainder degree is always n minus k minus 1. That is always 1 less than degree of denominator. So n minus k minus 1. If the degree is n minus k minus 1, the number of bits are n minus k. So that n minus k bits are parity bits. So after doing the division, we'll get a polynomial. That polynomial we can convert into ones and zeros. That is going to give n minus k parity bits. So due to this x raised to n minus k multiplication, d of x is always shifted to left by n minus k position, or data bits are shifted to left by n minus k position. So there is a vacancy of n minus k bits. That n minus k vacancies are going to be filled by these n minus k parity bits. That is why the code is always systematic. First k bits are data bits, last n minus k bits are parity bits. So for generating systematic or non-systematic, first we'll study how to get generator polynomial. So here I am explaining how to generate polynomial, that is generation of g of x. For different numbers I am showing here the procedure. First I selected here n is equal to 3. n is equal to 3. Step number 1 is factorize x raised to 3 plus 1. That means in general x raised to n plus 1 should be factorized. So x raised to 3 plus 1 is going to be factorized, and this is a factorization result. X plus 1 into x square plus x plus 1. This cannot be further factorized. So x plus 1 into x square plus x plus 1. So this or this can be used as a generator polynomial. If I am using this as a generator polynomial, number of parity bits are 2. If this polynomial is selected, number of parity bits are 1. So both I am showing here x plus 1. So number of parity bits are 2 means here the number of data bits should be 2. Number of parity bits are 1. So the difference should be 1. So 3, 2. If the second polynomial is selected as generator polynomial, number of parity bits are 2. So 3 minus 2. So that it will be 1. So we can generate 3, 2 cyclic code or 3, 1 cyclic code using these polynomials. Next result is n is equal to 4. That is x raised to 4 plus 1 is going to factorize. This is a factorization result. From this factorization, we can select x plus 1 generator polynomial or x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 generator polynomial. If this polynomial is used, number of parity bits are 1 and the cyclic code will be 4, 3. This is basically that even parity check bit, that's all. And if this polynomial is used, number of parity bits are 3. So that will be 4, 1. And that 4, 1 is actually like this. For 1, output will be 1, 1, 1, 1. And for 0, output will be 0, 0, 0, 0. Similarly, for 3, 1, data 1, code 1, 1, 1. For data 0, code 0, 0, 0. Next case is n is equal to 5. Factorization result is x plus 1 into x raised to 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. So that is also going to give two different cyclic codes, 5, 4 and 5, 1. 5, 4 is just even parity check bit. 5, 1 is 1 will be converted to 5 ones and 0 will be converted to 5 zeros. Next, n is equal to 6. Factorization result is x plus 1 into x raised to 5 plus x raised to 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Again, two cyclic codes, 6, 5. That is just even parity check bit code. And other one will be 6, 1. So for 1 will be transmitted with the 6 ones and 0 will be transmitted with the 6 zeros. Next number is 7. N is equal to 7. That is x raised to 7 plus 1 is going to factorize. This is the factorization result. X plus 1 into x cube plus x square plus 1 into x cube plus x plus 1. From this, we can write different polynomial. Like these two are going to multiply. Then x raised to 4 plus x square plus x plus 1. And then x cube plus x plus 1. Next, these two are going to multiply. So it will be x raised to 4 plus x cube plus x square plus 1 into x cube plus x square plus 1. And all these are going to be considered as a generator polynomial. So we'll get a different n, k cyclic code under n is equal to 7. If x plus 1 is used, number of parity bits are 1. So it will be 7, 6. If x cube is used, number of parity bits are 3. And there are two x cube polynomial. X cube plus x square plus 1 and x cube plus x plus 1. So we'll get two different 7,4 cyclic code. Both are very, very important. These two are Hamming codes. That is, it is very important. 1 bit error correction cyclic codes. X cube plus x square plus 1 or x cube plus x plus 1. Another possibility is x raised to 4 plus x square plus x plus 1 and x raised to 4 plus x cube plus x square plus 1. So number of parity bits are 4. So 7 minus 4, it will be 3. So 7,3. There are two 7,3 cyclic codes. Then the last, this polynomial can be used. Number of parity bits are 6. Like the previous cases, we'll get 7,1. 7,1 is 1 will be transmitted with the 7 ones and the 0 is going to be transmitted with the 7 zeros. I'm showing one more example. N is equal to 8. That is, x raised to 8 plus 1 is going to factorize. The factorization result is written here. There are only two cyclic codes, 8, 7, that is even parity check bit code, and 8, 1. 8, 1 is complete ones and complete zeros. Now we'll study how to generate, that is with some examples, non-systematic and systematic examples I am showing here. Non-systematic cyclic code generation. Question number 1. 7,4 code. Generator polynomial is given. G of x is x cube plus x square plus 1. From the previous slide we got one more generator polynomial is available for 7,4. That is x cube plus x plus 1. So here x cube plus x square plus 1 is selected. Two datas are given. Actually for this 7,4 total 16 message combinations are possible from 0 to 15. Out of that 16, two messages are given. D0011, first step is they should be converted into polynomial, that is d of x is equal to x plus 1. Generator polynomial is already given, x cube plus x square plus 1. Just multiply these two, x plus 1 into x cube plus x square plus 1. Multiplication, x into x cube, x raised to 4, x into x square, x cube, x into 1, x, 1 into x cube, 1 into x square, 1 into 1, 1. Here, all this plus sign is XOR sign. Due to XOR, even though I am not showing XOR, it's a XOR addition. Due to that XOR addition, x cube plus x cube is equal to 0. That is like a 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. X cube plus x cube is equal to 0. That is why these two are cancelled. So the answer is x raised to 4 plus x square plus x plus 1. Total 7 bits are needed. For getting 7 bits, the maximum degree of the polynomial should be 6. So we'll start with x raised to 6. There is no x raised to 6, so 0. No x raised to 5. X raised to 4 is there, so 1 is written. No x cube, x square, x and 1. So 7 bits code word is generated. And you can see the first 4 bits are not data bits. That is the requirement for a systematic cyclic code. But here we are generating now non-systematic cyclic code. So we are not expecting the first 4 bits are data bits. Next D is 1011 converted into polynomial multiplied with the generator polynomial. All the pairs are cancelled. X cube cancelled. One more x cube is there, that is still there. So answer will be x raised to 6 plus x raised to 5 plus x raised to 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. The code is 7,4. So total 7 bits are needed. For 7 bits, degree of the polynomial is 6. It is here. X raised to 6 is here. So 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So we are getting 7 ones. This is a very good example for a non-systematic code. The reason is you can see that 0 is a part of data bit, but that 0 is not there in the code word. That is why we are not able to say the data bits are existing in the code word for a non-systematic. For a non-systematic means just a code we are getting against this data bit. There is no fixed position for data bits. So even that 0 is not there in the code also. So that is the difficult part for a decoding. Decoding, we cannot remove just parity bit. From C, we should be able to do the division for getting D back. Like here we are doing multiplication. So for getting the answer back, C of x upon G of x is needed for getting D of x back. That complication can be avoided if we can generate systematic cyclic code. Question number 2, 7,4 code, g of x, I just writing like this, 1 plus x square plus x cube. So the polynomial can be written x cube plus x square plus 1 or 1 plus x square plus x cube. If it is given like this, then what we should do, our data also should be converted into the same way or the same format, like a 0, 0, 1, 1. That should be converted like this, 1 plus x square plus x cube. So first two bits are 0, that is only x square plus x cube. Remaining part is same, just do the multiplication. The answer is x raised to 2 plus x cube plus x raised to 4 plus x raised to 6. Starting from 1, there is no 1 there, so it is 0 is written. X is not there, so both bits are zeros. Then x square, x cube, x raised to 4, there is no x raised to 5. Put 0 for that, then x raised to 6. Second example is d is equal to 1011. D of x is 1 plus x square plus x cube. C of x is d of x into g of x. After multiplication, x square cancelled, x cube cancelled, x raised to 5 cancelled. So final answer is 1 plus x raised to 4 plus x raised to 6. 1, no x square, no x cube, x raised to 4 existing, no x raised to 5, x raised to 6. So this is the non-systematic cyclic code we got for this data bits 1011. Now question number 3. That is another n comma k value, 7,3 code. G of x is x raised to 4 plus x square plus x plus 1. So 7,3 means only 3 bits data. So 101. 101 is converted into polynomial, that is x square plus 1. That x square plus 1 is multiplied with the generator polynomial. The answer is x raised to 6 plus x cube plus x plus 1. That is written in terms of 1s and 0. X raised to 6, no x raised to 5, there is no x raised to 4, x cube is there, no x square, x existing, 1 is also there. Fourth question, 3,1 code with the generator polynomial 1 plus x square. 3,1 indicates that there is only 1 bit data. So both data are written here 1 and 0. First d is equal to 1, corresponding polynomial is 1. C of x is equal to d of x into g of x. So 1 into 1 plus x square. So answer is 1 plus x square. So the code will be 1, 1, 1. For d is equal to 0, d of x is also 0. C of x is equal to d of x into g of x. That product is also 0. But when you're writing the code, so 3 bits are needed. So it is 0, 0, 0. So 3,1, the transmitted cyclic codes are 1, 1, 1 and 0, 0, 0. It's very easy one for that 3,1, 5,1, 7,1, 9,1. For all these cases, the answer is complete ones and complete zeros. Now we are going to study how to generate systematic cyclic code. Question number 1, 7,4 code, g of x is x cube plus x square plus 1. Two data are written, 0, 0, 1, 1 and 1, 0, 1, 1. First d is 0, 0, 1, 1, convert into polynomial, that is x plus 1. Second step is, this d of x is multiplied with x raised to n minus k, and for a 7,4 n minus k is equal to 3, that is why x cube into x plus 1, so that is x raised to 4 plus x cube. Next result is p of x calculation. P of x is a remainder of that product divided by g of x, that is remainder of x raised to 4 plus x cube upon x raised to 3 plus x square plus 1. So that multiplication I am showing here. X raised to 4 plus x cube divided by x cube plus x square plus 1. What we want to do, we just want to cancel that m must be term. So quotient is x. X into x cube, x raised to 4, x into x square, x cube, x into 1, x. So the remainder is x. Remember, it's a XOR addition. Due to that XOR addition, there is no subtraction. Subtraction is equivalent to addition. So do only addition, never do subtraction. X raised to 4 plus x raised to 4, 0. X cube plus x cube, 0. Only x. Never write minus x. We are not doing subtraction, we are doing addition. So the remainder is x. I am writing the remainder here, x. Finally, the code is going to return C of x is x raised to n minus k into d of x plus p of x. So the product is x raised to 4 plus x cube and the remainder is x. So final answer is x raised to 4 plus x cube plus x. It's a 7,4 code. Due to that reason, 7 bits are needed. For getting 7 bits, degree of code polynomial has to be 6. So that is why we are starting with x raised to 6, but x raised to 6 is not here. That is why 0. There is no x raised to 5. X raised to 4 is there. X cube is also there. No x square. X is there. No 1. So answer is 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. Now you can see the first 4 bits, leftmost 4 bits are always now data bits. And the last 3 bits are parity bits. Second example, d is equal to 1, 0, 1, 1. Converted into polynomial, x cube plus x plus 1, that is multiplied with x raised to n minus k, that is x cube into x cube plus x plus 1. So the product is x raised to 6 plus x raised to 4 plus x cube. Now for calculating the parity polynomial, remainder of x raised to 6 plus x raised to 4 plus x cube, that's the product, divided by the given generator polynomial x cube plus x square plus 1. I am showing the division here. X raised to 6 plus x raised to 4 plus x cube divided by x cube plus x square plus 1. So we always want to cancel that MSB, highest degree. For that one, quotient is x cube into x cube, that is x raised to 6, x cube into x square, x raised to 5, x cube into 1, x cube. Now, instead of subtraction, do addition. X raised to 6 plus x raised to 6, 0. X raised to 4 is here, x raised to 5 is also here, x cube plus x cube 0. So the remainder is x raised to 5 plus x raised to 4. Next quotient will be x square into x cube. It will be x raised to 5, then x raised to 4 plus x square. Again do the addition, remainder is x square. When the remainder degree is less than 3, then we'll stop the division. Otherwise that division should be continued. The remainder degree should be less than degree of denominator. Degree of the denominator is equal to 3. So we can stop the division only when you are getting the remainder degree 2 or less than 2. Now the remainder is x square. We'll write the code polynomial. The first product is x raised to 6 plus x raised to 4 plus x cube. That I am writing first. After that, the remainder x square. So the equivalent code is x raised to 6, no x raised to 5, x raised to 4, x cube, x square, no x, no 1. So answer is 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Out of the 7 bits, leftmost 4 bits are data bits, rightmost 3 bits are parity bits. Example number 2. 7,4 code, g of x is 1 plus x square plus x cube. And 2 datas are written here, 0, 0, 1, 1 and 1, 0, 1, 1. D is equal to 0, 0, 1, 1. The given polynomial is 1 plus x square plus x cube. That is why this data we should be able to convert into that format starting from 0, 1, 2, 3. That is why x square plus x cube. Then multiplication with x raised to n minus k. So x cube into x square plus x cube. Answer is x raised to 5 plus x raised to 6. That x raised to 5 plus x raised to 6 should be divided with 1 plus x square plus x cube. That's a given generator polynomial. So that division I am showing here, x raised to 5 plus x raised to 6 divided by 1 plus x square plus x cube. This is MSB, that should be cancelled. So write first x cube. X cube into x cube, x raised to 6, x cube into x square, x raised to 5, x cube into 1, x cube. So the remainder is addition 0, remainder x cube. So we cannot stop the division here. So when we can stop the division? When the remainder degree less than 3. So we can go for one more division. That is 1. 1 into x cube, plus 1 into x square, plus 1 into 1, 1. Now the remainder is 1 plus x square. If you think it is difficult for you to write like this, you can do like this also. Write x raised to 6 plus x raised to 5 plus x cube plus x square plus 1. Do the normal division. Finally, you will get x square plus 1. But when you're writing the answer, don't write x square plus 1. You write 1 plus x square. So I'm writing that answer here, 1 plus x square. Remainder is 1 plus x square. The product is x raised to 5 plus x raised to 6. So the code polynomial is 1 plus x square. Remember, the polynomial format is 1 plus x square plus x cube. This is equivalent to PI format. 1 plus x square plus x cube is equivalent to PI format. So leftmost bits are parity bits, rightmost bits are data bits. So the remainder will be left hand side. 1 plus x square plus x raised to 5 plus x raised to 6. That I am writing in terms of 1 and 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. So rightmost 4 bits are data bits, leftmost 3 bits are parity bit. That is why I said this is equivalent to PI format. So that is clear from the given generated polynomial. If it is 1 plus x square plus x cube, it is PI format. If it is x cube plus x square plus 1, that will be IP format. Next data sequence is 1, 0, 1, 1. Polynomial is 1 plus x square plus x cube multiplied with x raised to n minus k. Answer is x cube plus x raised to 5 plus x raised to 6. Now we want to find out p of x. For that one, I am doing the division. X cube plus x raised to 5 plus x raised to 6 divided by 1 plus x square plus x cube. Quotient x cube into x cube, x raised to 6, x cube into x square, x raised to 5, x cube into 1, x cube. Remainder is equal to 0. So 0 remainder is written here. C of x is equal to the product plus remainder. Or actually in this case, remainder plus product. So 0 plus x cube plus x raised to 5 plus x raised to 6. And the equivalent code is written here. No 1, no x square. So x cube, no x raised to 4, x raised to 5 is there, x raised to 6 is there. So the code is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Leftmost 3 bits are parity bits. So the parity bits are 0, 0, 0 and the message bits are 1, 0, 1, 1. Example 3. 7,3 code. G of x is x raised to 4 plus x square plus x plus 1. Data is 1, 0, 1. So that data is converted into polynomial. That is x square plus 1. Next, multiplication with x raised to n minus k. Here n minus k is equal to 4. That is why x raised to 4 into x square plus 1. So the product is x raised to 6 plus x raised to 4. Now p of x calculation, remainder of x raised to 6 plus x raised to 4. The product divided by the given generated polynomial. So division I am showing here. And the remainder will be x cube plus x square. Remainder is x cube plus x square. Now we can stop the division here. The reason is degree of denominator is equal to 4. So when you are getting less than 4, we'll stop the division. So x cube plus x square. So C of x is x raised to 6 plus x raised to 4 plus x cube plus x square. And the code bits are written here. 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Out of this 7 bits, leftmost 3 bits, 1, 0, 1. That is data bits. And rightmost 4 bits are parity bits. Example number 4. 3,1 code. G of x is 1 plus x square. D is equal to 1. So that is converted into polynomial. Polynomial is also 1. X raised to n minus k into d of x is 3 minus 1, 2. So x square into 1, that is x square. Now p of x is remainder of x square divided by 1 plus x square. The division I am showing here, the remainder is 1 plus x. Now C of x we are writing first remainder 1 plus x plus the product. This product is x square. That x square is written here. So 1 plus x square. So C is equal to 1, 1, 1. This I have told you earlier. For a 3,1, there is no difference between systematic or non-systematic cyclic code. The codes are always like this. For 1, it will be 1, 1, 1. And for 0, it will be 0, 0, 0. Similarly, for 5,1, cyclic code. For 1, it will be 5 ones, and for 0, it will be 5 zeros. Systematic or non-systematic, that is only single answer. For 7, 1, similar method can be used. 9, 1, 11, 1. For all these cyclic codes, okay, same method can be used, or the answer can be written without any calculation. Thank you.